Let me say this clearly. AI tools won't make your game better. They might make it faster, they might make it prettier, they might make it easier, but better? No. And if you are already feeling defensive, yeah, this video is probably for you. Because here's what's happening right now. A lot of developers are quietly hoping AI will fix the part of game development they don't enjoy. The boring part, the confusing part, the parts where you don't know what to do next. So you generate code, you generate assets, you generate ideas, and everything looks like progress until you play the game and it still feels off. And that's not because AI did a bad job, it's because AI doesn't know what better means. Better isn't technical, it's experimental. Better is this mechanic feels satisfying, this loop makes sense, this feature doesn't need to exist, and AI can't feel that. Here's why this matters for you. Because if you rely on AI to improve your game, you quietly stop practicing the skill that actually improve games. Judgment. Deciding what to cut, when to stop polishing, what problem matter most right now. Those decisions are uncomfortable, which is exactly why people hope tools can replace them. But truth be told, they can't. AI can give you 10 solutions. It can't tell you which one hurts the least. It can generate content endlessly. It can't tell you when your game has too much of it. So what happens? Your project get bigger, more complex, harder to understand, and game doesn't feel better, it feels heavier. Good developers don't use AI to make game better. They use AI to move faster after they already know what better looks like. Bad developers use AI to avoid answering the question entirely. Same tools, completely different outcomes. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If your game isn't fun without AI, it won't magically become fun with AI. If your design is unclear right now, AI will just generate clearer confusion. See the conundrum? So no, AI tools won't make games better. You make your game better by playing it, by cutting things, by admitting when something isn't working, and fixing the root cause instead of generating around it. If this video made you pause for a second, good. That pause is you realizing tools were never the missing piece. Hit like if this saved you sometimes, and false how. Subscribe if you want game dev talk that doesn't sell shortcuts. Now go open your project, turn the AI off for 10 minutes, and decide one thing that shouldn't be there. That's how games actually get better.